The most successful businesses make data-driven decisions to grow and improve. In today's Marketing Minute Monday, we'll give you the 2 most important metrics to pay attention to in order to help your businesses thrive. Metric 1, conversion rate. Conversion rate is the granddaddy of metrics, and it's the metric you should worry about the most. Your conversion rate is the percentage of website visitors who decide to make a purchase. The most straightforward way to grow your business: improve your conversion rate by trying new things and tracking results. This can give tremendous insight into what really works. Metric number 2, lifetime value. The LTV measures the total amount you earn from a typical customer over the course of their lifetime. How do you improve this metric? Work on building a better emotional relationship with your customers. A recent study shows that customers with an emotional relationship with a brand have a 306% higher lifetime value. Using data to make decisions makes a world of difference. For a look at the other 3 metrics you need to watch closely, check out our blog post at bigleap.com.